Hi fam, a very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, this is just a regular vlog where I'm just going to meet few friends because I'm too bored sitting in the home. Like yeah, I know it's not the time for getting out, but uh, I'm like sitting in the home for last 10 to 12 days, and yeah, and I couldn't take it anymore, so I'm just meeting a one or two friends, and we are thinking to go to Gandipet Lake and spend some quality time, and I will be back to my home. And yes, I'm carrying a mask and a sanitizer, and oh shit, I've started from my house around 5:50. So the meter point is 20 kilometers far from my house. I have to be there at 6:10. I think I would be late by 10 or 15 minutes. It's just Mahadevan and a few of his other friends like Jatin. Approximately around 4 to 5 people. So yeah, staying in the home also so depressing, right? We can't stay in the home for much long time. I just posted an last video. If you have not checked it yet, you will see an I button in the top right corner of the video, so do check the video, which is all about the service cost of my Benelli. It is a bit hard on your pocket to maintain a 300cc bike for such a huge service cost, but yes, it's my baby and I need to take care of it. And I forgot to mention, after I took the bike, I just rode it for 2 or 3 days. There was a problem with the thermostat sensor, which is used to start the radiator. Like generally when the temperature of the bike rises above 92 degrees, it has to have some sensor to start the radiator, correct? That is nothing but the thermostat sensor. It got bugged up and I had to replace it. It costed me around 2,000 bucks. I don't know why Benelli make parts so expensive. Compared to this, if you are going with a Nominer, which is of 400cc, it would just cost you around 3 to 400 to change the thermostat sensor. I don't think not more than that. So yeah, Shankar has just sent me his location, so I'm just heading towards there. I'm just in a bit hurry because I don't want to get late. It's still showing 2 kilometers from here. I hope that there should not be traffic. I've never seen this much of traffic at this time. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning and this much of traffic. Oh god. So yeah, there was a lot of confusion. I just kept my maps with an 4-wheeler filter, so it was showing all the way around from Shamshabad, and then I switched it back. Now it shows just 2 kilometers on 2-wheeler. So yeah, after a lot of struggle, we just met. Some tea over there, and now we are leaving to Gandipet Lake. Feels so good, man, riding after so many days. I hope everything gets normal soon and we get our golden days back. And but if you are looking for this model, it's discontinued, right? You need to take the BS6 one.
So did you get a review of BS6?
It's not into the market yet. It's just into the Chinese and those markets. It's not launched in India.
So done with almost like 18,000, you said?
Yeah.
So riding comfort?
Not 80, it's 18.
18, yeah, 18.
Yeah. Riding comfort, everything is good. You can do long drives as well. And that one do not support, like you will get an back pain after a few miles. But as this is a big seat, like you can stretch yourself.
Thanks.
So no problem, bro. Sorry, don't mind. Chalo, bye. The story behind that review was nothing but when I was at the fuel pump, these guys just stopped by and they wanted to buy an 300, so they were just asking how is the bike and all that. Did you see him? He's drinking beer on the backside of trolley. Hyderabad 23. Oh dude, am I not in Hyderabad? You want to get the music? Huh? So yes, we are at the spot, and we have Sai Kiran as a photographer today. हाँ. You can see the view. It's a quite good place. भाई कब निकल रहे हैं हम लोग? 8:30 को ना? कहीं बोले तो मेरे को 60 किलोमीटर जाना है. चलो 60. 33. We got Maggie to cook and catching fishes. गिरते भैया मच्छियाँ? हाँ भैया नहीं, मच्छी पकड़ के क्या करते हैं अभी? मच्छी पकड़ के वो पूरा साफ गिफ्ट करना पड़ता ना?
खाली फोटो ले लेके डाल देते वापिस छोड़ देते.
इधर तक आते हैं मच्छियाँ, सामने तक. ఎందుకు చేప ఇంటికి కావాలా? మ్యాన్ వర్సెస్ వైల్డ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ డ్రెస్. चाय पत्ती मैगी प्लेट लाए भैया कोई? हाउ इट फील्स ब्रो? कंट्री लाइफ पीस అవుట్. ఏంది దాచిపెడుతున్నావు?
కెమెరా బ్రో, ఏం లేదు దాచిపెట్టడానికి.
రీల్ మాస్టర్ ఫామ్లోకి వచ్చినావా? Few of them are fishing and they're a bit busy with this Maggie.
हो गया. और 4 है और पानी चाहिए
भैया. कहीं कोई तो आधा पानी डाल के गए. अब पूरा डाल दो पानी में, ला के डाल दो. वो ये भी डालो एक्स्ट्रा मसाला.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm leaving to my home because it's already too late. It's 9 o'clock and the lockdown starts at 10 o'clock. It's showing 1 hour from here on the Google Maps. I have to beat the Google time. No matter what. So yeah, I'm taking a different route which Google Map shows. We are pretty close. It's 14 kilometers. I've done half. If you are watching till here, thank you so much. I hope you like my videos, and if you didn't, please go do subscribe my channel and do comment what content do you expect in future. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.